installed on your PC. If you don't have that, let me know and I can make a video on it. Then once you have Puppeteer on your PC, add it in a node. So you type Puppeteer and then click Run Custom Script. Once you're inside of that node, copy this whole text over. I'm also going to put it in the description so you don't have to type it all manually. Make sure that if the new input that you're dragging over has brackets, that you remove those brackets. It should look like this. Then you can run the step and then it's going to convert it to pdfBase64 as a string of random letters. After that, type convert to file in here and then click on move base64 string to file. pdfBase64 data, and then it's going to convert it to a binary data file. You can already download it manually, but if you want to write all of those files to your PC, then you can add a write files from disk node where you write it to whatever file path you want in your computer with the data, and this is where I normally store my files. If you're gonna download more than one file, you should make a dynamic name, otherwise you're just gonna be downloading the same file name over and over again. That was it for me in this video. I hope it was useful to you, and if it was, please consider liking and subscribing. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.